Hello, welcome back. In today's PowerPoint class, we are going to look at how can you be able to design quick PowerPoint slides that are professionally appealing, good quality in less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So we are going to look at the fastest way you can create PowerPoint slides. I'm imagining that maybe due to work pressure, you're supposed to create slides as quick as possible so that you can be able to present a product or a service to clients and investors. So what's the best way you can create quality PowerPoint slides in the shortest time possible? So the first thing you need to do when you've opened PowerPoint, you'll come down here and then you will be able to click on open, and then at the open you also click new. When you're at new, you are going to access templates. These are templates, they are ready-made PowerPoint slides. So you will choose a theme. Are you in presentation, themes, education, chart, diagram, business? So maybe it's a business PowerPoint slide, so you'll click on business and you'll be able to access different types of templates ranging from different types of businesses. So these are example of templates, so we are going to pick one and then we format on it. So let's go for this one, the pitch deck. So you just click once and then you create. So here you have a chance of designing your PowerPoint, but remember it comes with a fixed theme in the background. So that is the challenge you'll face, but at least the rest of the work you can be able to make changes. So here you have a PowerPoint slide and it has these are 21 slides. I don't think you need all these 21, so let's assume you're going to use maybe 5 slides. So let's say your presentation is going to have five slides. So let's wait for it to open up. So you can use this PowerPoint presentation and then you can customize it to suit your needs. You can add your own pictures, you can edit some sections, and also you can use the slide master so that you can get better advanced features. So let's close this tab. Now this is our slide. So if I click on slideshow, we are going to see what the automatic template has given us. So if you look at this, it's a very quality slide. Yeah, so we are going to eliminate some slides, then we remain with a few. So assuming I just need 5 of these, so I'll delete from 6 onwards. Starting from 6, I'll delete each so that we remain with only 5 slides. So here we have 5 slides. So these 5 slides, I'm going to format them so that they fit our criteria. So as you can see, these are the 5 slides that we have. So we are going to format each slide so that it fits our own project proposal. So the first thing I'll do is to save this document on the desktop. I'll give it a name. In the desktop, I'll give it a name, maybe PowerPoint exercise 4th April 2025, and then I'll save at the desktop. So I've saved the PowerPoint. So now we are going to format each slide. Let me assume this is the PowerPoint we are doing and we are pitching about a product. Let's say you have a company that deals with biofuel. So I'll click there and then I'll customize Africa Biofuel. Africa Biofuel Limited. So this, I guess, can be the name of the company. And then the presentation is by who? I'll put it the name there. that's the presenter. You can also edit it so that it's much visible. Yes, so the next thing I need to do is to add a picture that represents the biofuel. So I can hide this background picture by inserting a new picture there that represent biofuel. So I'll click pictures, I pick a picture from online representing biofuel or green energy. So here are example of pictures that represent biofuel. You can go for one from here. Let me go for that one. So here is a picture. I'm going to insert it to fit the entire screen. There it is. So the next thing I need to do is to send this picture to the back so that my text is visible. So I'll click arrange and then I send to back. So our text is now visible. I'll move the text to a better position. Let me give it a better color that it can be visible. And also this title, I need to give it a much better color. Maybe that color also. So this is our first slide. That is the first page of the slide. So I'm going to format further this text so that it is much better. It's not yet okay. Make it bold. I'll remove that. Yep, that is much better. So this is the first slide for our PowerPoint. Then on the second slide also I can edit that and say maybe introduction. And here I'm going to type some few notes about the intro